Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can simply change your password in Windows 10. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to search and write change your password, and right here you're gonna select manage how you sign to your device, and you're gonna select security key or password. So sign in with your account's password. Okay, add new password, confirm password, password hint. You can add like where do I live, and then you just click next here. Next time sign username as per finish, and voila, here I have it. And this is how you can remove it. So thank you very much everybody, and if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.